Pfizer, Moderna, or Johnson & Johnson? Could you choose?
I think we might get to that point. Likely that's not going to occur until perhaps the latter part of April or into May or June. But as supply increases, that may become a possibility.
For now, University of Buffalo's Dr. Thomas Russo says to take whatever you can get as soon as you can get it.
All the vaccines look great. And what they're all quite similar is protecting against hospitalizations and bad outcomes, which is obviously the most critical factor. However, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine presently has one small advantage over the Pfizer and Moderna RNA vaccines, and that it's one shot and you're done.
But when it comes to efficacy numbers, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine sits at about 72%, while Moderna and Pfizer hit closer to 95%. University of Buffalo's Dr. Nancy Nielsen says that's like comparing apples and oranges.
And the reason is the other two vaccines were studied in their clinical trials earlier when there weren't these variants that we're so terribly worried about, the UK variant and particularly the South African variant. We don't know how Moderna and Pfizer would fare, what their efficacy would be if they had been studied at the same time.
So as supply continues to increase, when will New York open Phase 1C eligibility? And who will be included?
So it's really going to depend on supply and how well we're doing with vaccinating groups 1A and 1B, and we're making some significant inroads into those groups. I'm hoping that we're going to completely open things up sometime either in late April or May.
I think by the end of the summer, I believe if the president is right that we have enough vaccine for everybody, we'll have it dispensed because we are really good at dispensing it.
Olivia Proya, 7 Eyewitness News.